Hello lovely ladies, did you know that one simple change in your daily meal plan could actually calm down your overactive thyroid? Hyperthyroidism doesn't always need drastic measures, sometimes, it's just a matter of making the right food choices. Welcome to today's video. Hyperthyroidism happens when your thyroid produces too much thyroid hormone, leading to symptoms like weight loss, restlessness, and feeling overheated. It can be exhausting and tricky to manage, but don't worry, we've got you covered with foods that can help ease these symptoms naturally. Today, we are exploring Indian foods that support thyroid health, focusing on what to avoid and what to add. Stick around to learn practical tips, and if you're serious about managing your thyroid, there's also an opportunity for a customized plan that suits your unique needs. Let us do a fun quiz before starting the video. Do you find yourself craving a specific food more often since you had thyroid symptoms? Option A, sugary foods. Option B, salty foods. Option C, not sure. Drop your answer in the comments. Alright, let's start with the foods you should avoid. These foods can stimulate thyroid activity or create imbalances, which is why it's best to keep them in check. Here are 7 foods that can make hyperthyroidism symptoms worse if eaten frequently.
Caffeine can increase heart rate and anxiety, common symptoms of hyperthyroidism. Switch to herbal teas like chamomile or tulsi for a soothing alternative. Now, let's dive into the next step. Sugar leads to energy crashes and can heighten feelings of restlessness. For a natural alternative, try honey or jaggery but in small amounts. Time to explore another important point here. Dairy can sometimes trigger hyperthyroid symptoms due to lactose. If you feel symptoms worsen with dairy, try alternatives like almond or coconut milk. Up next, here's something else worth noting. Spices are common in Indian cuisine, but too much can exacerbate symptoms. If you love spices, try milder options like black pepper or cumin. Heading forward, here's something helpful for you. Hyperthyroid patients should limit iodine, as it can overstimulate the thyroid. Use rock salt if possible. Alright, let's move to the next tip. While good for hypothyroidism, these can stimulate thyroid function in hyperthyroid patients if eaten in large amounts. Stick to smaller portions. And finally, let's wrap up with this. Alcohol affects hormone processing in the liver, which can worsen hyperthyroid symptoms. Opt for buttermilk or coconut water instead.
Now that we've covered what to avoid, let's look at foods that actually help your body find some calm and balance. Here are 7 foods to incorporate into your diet if you have hyperthyroidism. Berries are rich in antioxidants and help reduce inflammation. Have a handful with breakfast or as a snack to keep things balanced. Moving along, here's the next key point. These are grounding foods and can help with energy balance. Sweet potatoes are especially good as they contain fiber and slow digesting carbs. Alright, let's jump to what's next here. Moving along, here's the next key point. Packed with healthy fats and proteins, nuts and seeds help you stay full without triggering your thyroid. Flax seeds are great for omega-3s as well. Onward to another valuable point to know. Lentils are rich in iron, which supports energy levels. Moong dal or masoor dal in soups or curries is easy to digest and comforting. Up next, here's another thing to consider. These are high in magnesium, which is often low in hyperthyroid patients. Cooked greens can provide essential nutrients without overloading your thyroid. Let's dive into the next step now. Whole grains help stabilize energy levels. Try incorporating brown rice or bajra roti for balanced carbs and added fiber. And to close, here's our final tip. These teas help calm the nervous system, reducing symptoms like anxiety and palpitations. Tulsi tea, in particular, is both comforting and thyroid-friendly.
If you're finding these tips helpful, please do subscribe to my channel for more natural ways to manage your health with simple Indian ingredients. Remember,
Food plays a powerful role in your body's balance, especially when managing hyperthyroidism. Try focusing on the right foods and avoid those that might be overstimulating your thyroid. These small changes can make a big difference over time. Here are the key takeaways. Avoid caffeine, refined sugars, and spicy foods to prevent overstimulation. Include berries, leafy greens, and whole grains for a calming effect. Stay hydrated with herbal teas to manage anxiety and energy levels. Experiment with root vegetables and lentils to support balanced energy.
Take the first step to feeling better with a diet plan made just for you, whether it's for weight loss, thyroid, or PCOS. Let's walk this path together to a healthier you. Your support through likes and comments means the world to me. It's the true reward for all the effort behind these videos. If you found this helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe and stay connected on this journey to better health together.